This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lieb. 1930s Key West style courtyard BUIDLING with charm and character, totally rebuilt in 1999. Unit is small yet very special. Central air, washer/dryer in unit, dishwasher, 1 parking space, windows on 3 sides. A wonderful gated and enchanting common yard for a total of 8 units. Close to shopping, beach and nightlife. For more information, review the details below or contact Lieb at 954-315-6000.